the ones whose prayers give us strength. Their health is our responsibility. Cree purifies the air, so every breath brings relief to your loved ones. Clean air is the first step to a healthy life. When the air is pure, generations grow stronger. Caring for your loved ones begins with clean, safe air.